Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I am the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to this video presentation on security services. So, it's security is obviously important. It's becoming more important with some of the scarier attacks like crypto. It's not like it's getting less important. It's just going to becoming more. It's just going to become more important. So, according to a study performed way back in 2007, 1/3 of companies feel that a major security breach would put them out of business, and 60% of companies experienced a data breach within the last year, and over three-quarters of consumers polled indicated that they would stop shopping at stores that suffered from a security breach. And the hacking's getting worse; it's not getting any better. So that's why security is becoming even more important than it was in the past. So we can do a security review for your company. It starts with a comprehensive review of your existing computer systems. It's kind of a specialized version of what we call a network physical, but we take a closer look from a security perspective. This includes reviewing the following items: Active Directory, your password policies, patch maintenance, which is a huge issue with security. I'd say 90% of the breaches are due to what's called poor computer hygiene, which means your servers or your firewalls and everything else is just they haven't been kept up to date with patches. Your wireless configuration, there's plenty of opportunities to get things really wrong on wireless, which can cause a major breach. Your backup strategy, that's insanely important, especially with CryptoLocker, that you have a good backup strategy in case you need to go back and restore your files from your backup. What are you using for antivirus? Are you using any drive encryption, email security? Those are just some of the things that we'll look at. This is by no means a comprehensive list, and we may look at other areas depending on what we find on these areas that I've just mentioned. We'll also do a penetration study to see how easy or not easy it is to get into your systems. We'll also run vulnerability scans. We'll look at your firewall. What you're doing for remote access. Footprint analysis basically is how what are you leaving around. How easy is to determine what it is that you're running, as well as physical security. So after that information is gathered, we'll provide a prioritized list of suggestions to improve your company's IT security. Regular maintenance, as I mentioned before, is a crucial part of any company's security strategy. And this is another thing here, is good network design really, the IT, and in our opinion, the security needs to be baked into any infrastructure plan. You can't just add it on like an afterthought. That A, it's disruptive, B, it's less effective. It just needs to be baked in when the design is done, and that's one of the things that we always keep in mind is making sure that any IT infrastructure plan has got solid baked-in security into it. It needs to be integrated, not added on like a wart after the fact. So for more information on how your company can benefit from a security review, give us a call. My name is Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group again, and I can be reached at 310-541-8584, extension 100, and then use the Find This Person Now feature to have the calls forwarded on to my cell phone. You can also email me at asugano@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.